welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today I am getting ready to set up my beautiful and fabulous fall table, and it's also going to be my Thanksgiving table. So I'm just going to give you a view of everything and break down. This is something new that I want to start doing in my videos. Break down and let you know where I got certain things from. So here we go. A lot of it's thrift store. So I have my green glasses. I always get a lot of compliments on these. And I actually picked these up in New Jersey last October when I was up visiting my mother and my mother-in-law. So they were thrifted from the Goodwill. You all know about these from the Dollar Tree. They have the gather glasses rather. And then a couple years back, I found these nice green glasses from the Dollar Tree. And for some odd reason, I only picked up 4. So I am on the hunt to try to get maybe 4 more. And then I have this beautiful glass mirror. This was thrifted. I don't have a price on it, but this was thrifted probably for only $1 or $2. Next, I'm going to go around real quick. Everybody's seen these. These are from the Dollar Tree runners, table runners. And these are really, really long. I did a lot of videos of how to upgrade your table runners. I'll put an iCard in so you can go back and check them out. And really got some good reviews on doing the DIYs for these. Okay, next I went to HomeGoods and found this pretty 8-pack of fall napkins with the pumpkins on it. And then it has the plaid check included in here, so I believe you get 4 of these and 4 of these, and I paid $9.99. Like that. And then while I was over at Wally World a couple weeks back, this is something new from Better Home and Gardens. Yeah, Better Home and Garden labels. Placemats. And I wanted to do a table like in the oranges and greens and the rustic this year. So I got 6 of these, and these were, I believe, $2.97 a piece. Something that I was not planning on doing, spending almost $20 on table mats. But this is nice and woven material, and these will last year after year. So I got them. I have these pumpkin 4-piece Glam coasters. I got these from HomeGoods. I think these were from Ross. And I paid $4.99 clearance. So I'll be incorporating these on my table this year. And let's move over here. About 2 years ago, Walmart was selling these blessed and grateful plates. So I have 6 of those. We'll be utilizing these today. Regular Dollar Tree pumpkins. Thought these would spice up the table, and like that plum color. This is a thrifted fruit bowl. I call it a fruit bowl. I just found that out in the garage. So I'll be utilizing that. And then y'all all may have seen my 3-piece pumpkin set that I got from HomeGoods probably about a month ago. And I believe the 3-piece platter was $12.99. Move over here. And this was a candle pumpkin that I've been using. These were from Aldi's last year. And does not belong on my table. How's that on here? I have a pie dish that I'm going to be using. This was thrifted. So I'll be using this. And the Dollar Tree fabulous plates that they had last year. Oh my goodness, it was a mess trying to find these, but I was so happy that I was able to get them. So I got 6 of these, and then I came across these pumpkin coasters or little dessert plates for these. I got these about 2 years ago from HomeGoods, so we're going to be using them. And then your regular Dollar Tree gold chargers have. Just trying to move some stuff out. And then I have like all my little Dollar Tree candlestick holders, little sniffer glasses, I call them, little tiny vase. I'm going to be creating little tier trays for the table for my guests. And then I just have some big giant small vases to make my centerpiece, be taller. And I hope you remember these 3-piece candlestick holders that I got thrifting. Again, probably about a year or 2 ago. And it was a 3-piece set. And I said I was going to redo them, but I think leaving them the color that they are really is going to bring out my table. I had a 3-piece candle set. This is the pumpkin butter, and they are from HomeGoods. They were $12.99 for 3. I've never spent $13 on any candles, but they smell yummy and delicious. So I am missing one, and I'm going to show you what I put for that candle. And we still have some more of these little pumpkins. They're just all over the table. And last year I went to Ollie's, and I paid $4.49. And these are like the pumpkin glitter forks and knife spoon sets. So not that we're going to be using plastic, but I still am going to have them out for an additional silverware. And then I have my beautiful ivory white, like a cream platter. No price, that was thrifted. I'm going to utilize that. And the phenomenon of the pumpkins from Walmart last year. These are actually, you can actually, I've eaten out of them, putting macaroni and cheese and soups and everything you name inside these. I had bought 2 in the orange, and I have 2 in the white, which I still could not find. There's probably another box missing in the garage somewhere. We're gonna move around here before my camera goes dead. And then you see my beautiful fall swag for my fireplace. I believe I'm gonna use this as the major centerpiece. I have that. And I always like to keep a type of beverage like ice water or maybe iced tea or lemonade mixed. That was clearance at Walmart a couple years ago. So I am going to be utilizing that on the table. And you probably have already seen this in one of my tray videos. I'm going to put that on my buffet table for desserts. That's probably where I am going to use these glittered utensils. And lastly, let's move around my table. And I have one more pumpkin. That was a candle. And that's just for decoration purposes. And then we're going to use my lovely orange creamer, sugar, and my teapot, which I scored at HomeGoods probably about 2 years ago. So I'm just going to give you a runabout. Can't show you that, 'cause that's the secret for my table. But everything else of how I am going to put this table together. And it's going to be fabulous, darling. All free. I didn't go out and buy anything. Really new this year was these napkins, platter set. One will be for the large one is going to be for my ham. The second one will be for my turkey breast. I'm not doing a whole turkey this year. It's too much work. And the middle one, I don't know, I'll put something small on there. I'm going to take a break. This is part one of how I am getting ready to prep. A lot of people that come on to YouTube, they don't realize how much work it is to prep and do a YouTube video. So this is what I am bringing to my channel every time I do a table decor. So I hope you enjoy. I'm going to get all these dishes loaded up in the dishwasher, and I will be back. I already have the dishwasher open, so it'll be faster for me to move back and forth. And I'm going to get back. So make sure you come back and watch part two. It will be me actually setting up the table, and then you'll see the final picture. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you over in part two. Bye-bye. All right, y'all, so I've moved over to the dishwasher. I have some stuff that's already in there.